YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a profitable forex strategy that you guys can start using as soon as today, even if you're a beginner. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you like this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a very profitable forex strategy that you guys can start using even if you're a beginner. So but before I actually get started, so this week, actually on Monday, I started my free signals, and for this week we actually made almost 1400 pips. That's what we made this week. So if you want access to it, the link is going to be down below in the description. So just click on that link and then you're going to get access to it, to my free forex signals. But also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if this is your first time on my channel. Like this video, smash that subscribe bell button so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. So for this strategy, we're going to be looking at Euro USD. We're on the 1 hour time frame because that's where we're going to be placing our trades. We're going to be placing our trades on the 1 hour time frame. But before we do anything at all, you have to go to the 4 hour time frame using this strategy to mark up your zones using support and resistance. And the easiest way to do that is to definitely switch to your line chart, because when you switch to your line chart, everything becomes really easy. It becomes very clear. And we start off by marking our zones. You can see over here we have a support zone over here. We got over here as well, and we also have down here we got a support zone over here right there, and we have resistance here, resistance here, and we're just gonna do one more, and we also got over here, and we got over here as well. So now that you're done, you switch back to your candlesticks and we go back to the 1 hour time frame. We can see that we have all our zones marked up right now. But now that we're on the 1 hour time frame, we can also see that over here we got a zone right here, a support zone, because price was actually consolidating right there. Now the first indicator we're going to use for this strategy, we're going to use 3 indicators. Now the first one we're going to add the 50 EMA. You go to settings and you just change that to 50. For my style, you can use any color you want. Just use this. Change the thickness and you click on OK. Now when price is below the 50 EMA, you're only looking to sell, and when price is above the 50 EMA, you're only looking to buy. Now we add one more indicator right here before we add the last one. We add another EMA. This time around, we're going to change it to 20. And for the style, choose whatever color you want. Just going to change thickness, and I'll use this color. And you click on OK. Now we add one more, and this is going to be the final indicator. We're going to add the awesome oscillator, and for that I'm just going to change the thickness. You don't have to do anything else, and then you click on OK. Now this is how you use this strategy. If we take a look at this buy over here, now your first confirmation that you'll be looking for is to make sure that this 20 EMA crosses your 50 EMA. That's your first confirmation. Once you have that first confirmation, then you're gonna start looking to see if price is actually gonna close above your resistance, which is over here. Once price closes above your resistance, then you can get in this trade for a buy. You can either get in as soon as it closes, or you wait for a retest back to the 20 EMA or the 50 EMA, then you get in. But let's say you got in right here when price closed above your resistance, then you have your TP1 over here, TP2, TP3, and you guys can see price actually got to this zone, this resistance zone right here. The previous we had a previous resistance zone over here, right here at this zone. Price actually got to that zone over here, and if we take a look at how many pips that eventually gave us, your first take profit gave you 22 pips, second 50, third gave you 79, this right here 102 pips, and this right here altogether you're looking at 121 pips for this buy trade right here, as you guys can see. Now the final confirmation you actually need is this awesome oscillator right here that you guys are looking at. Now these histograms, or you can call it bars if you want, if it's green it indicates a buy, and if it's above your zero line, this is your zero line right here, if it's above it, it means a buy. And as we can see over here, it gave us that signal right here to get in this trade for a buy. That's your final confirmation. Once you have those three confirmations, you can get in, and then you have your TP1, TP2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. But once you get to your first take profit, you always have to move your stop loss to your entry price. Or once you get to your second take profit, move your stop loss to entry price. That's your decision, but you always have to make sure you always move and trail your stop loss. Is a very good strategy to use because you're going to be securing your profit. Now that's how you use it for a buy. Now for a sell, you have to make sure that your first confirmation over here, the 20 crosses the 50 EMA, and once that happens, you wait and see if price is going to break below your support zone, and you can see that we have it here, and we also have over here. Now you can get in once price closes below your support at this zone over here, or after it closes below this zone over here. But if you got in over here, you will know that okay, I have my TP1 right here, my TP2 over here, and I got my TP3 over here. Now if we take a look at how many pips we got for this sell trade over here, so you got it over here, TP1 20 pips, TP2 52 pips, and TP3 118 pips altogether if you stayed on this trade. And you just use the same strategy. Move your stop loss to entry price once your take profit 2 hits, and from there you can start trailing your stop loss if you want to stay in this trade. But your final confirmation has to be this awesome oscillator right here, and as we can see, it's below the zero line, and the histogram is actually red, and this awesome oscillator is similar to the MACD. We can see we had the crossover here, and it gave you the signal, and you get in for this trade for a sell. And if you was on this sell trade, when this cross happened over here, that's your indication for you to get out the trade. So remember what I said earlier, guys. I started my Forex signals on Monday this week actually, and we made almost 1400 pips. So if you want access to it, just click the link down below in the description and you get access to it. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you guys like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.